Guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I would like to show you what happened in my area today. It's massive and you will love it. It's a competition of eating. We have 4 competitors, and if you are able to come out to be a winner, you have to finish up 8 pieces of swallow before you go with the sum of 10,000 naira. This money no be small money. These people, if the person just sabi eat food well, he go with 10,000 naira cash, just 8 pieces of swallow. Before we continue, please, I would like you to share, comment, and click on the subscribe button for me. Come with me as we watch how the people are swallowing.
As you can see in the video here, these are the crowd that are watching the competitors. While you can see, these are the competitors. They are washing their hands, getting ready for the competition to begin.
Hate it when my doubts and my fears swell up like the ocean. It feels like I could drown in my tears. Everything's overflowing. Scared that I won't get it right, get it right. My nerves are working overtime. Tell myself to calm down and breathe. Step out of the shadows into the fire. Don't be afraid to go out on a wire. Live in the moment, turn it louder. This is what you're made for. You just gotta be fearless. 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 Once I get in and I put it in drive, ain't no more stopping me, don't even try. Controlling the chaos, controlling the vibe. Yeah, it's all the shots that you don't take. You'll never be heard if you don't say. Just gotta get out your own way. You can't learn to fly anymore if you don't let go. Step out of the shadows into the fire. Don't be afraid to go out on a wire. Live in the moment, turn it up louder. This is what you're made for. You just gotta be fearless.